I have the duty, Honorable Minister, to hand you the results of A-level, the results of our children in this country, the results of the children together with others who will build our country and Africa as a whole.
We are releasing results of Uganda Advanced Certificate of Education that was taken between 12th and 30th November 2012. I am glad to note that despite the increase in the candidature, UNEB has continued to release the USCE results early before the end of February. The number of candidates who have qualified for admission to universities and other tertiary levels has also increased by as many as 10,734, higher than the 3,894.
Era okusinziira ku bifulumizibwa olwaleero kiraga nti abaana abatuula ebigezo bya siniya ey'omukaaga namba yaabwe yeeyongedde, kino kizzaamu nnyo amaanyi. N'abaana ddala abaana abawala namba zaabwe abakoze ebigezo by'omukaaga namba yaabwe nayo yeeyongedde nnyo.
Leaking information, and as a result, children's exams results are cancelled. UNEB, working together with our mother ministry, will pursue this teacher until the level of deregistration, meaning a teacher can be withdrawn from being a teacher by withdrawing the certificate. So let this message go out there. We are not going to stop. Again, we say this happened last year, what happened? No, we are going to go down there and select you out like a jigger.
Center number, 4 area supervisors, heads of centers, invigilators, staff, and the director of the other examinations,